This video, we're going to be talking about how to hide story views on your own Facebook story. So let's just get straight into the video. Well, unfortunately, you cannot completely disable the story views list on your Facebook story. However, you can manage who sees your story and restrict specific people from viewing it. So in order to go ahead and do so, all you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and get into my Facebook. And now simply go ahead and click on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. And then you want to simply click on the top left triple lines icon, click on settings and privacy, and simply go ahead and click on settings right over here. Once you've done that, you're going to be on this page over here. You want to simply go ahead and scroll down until you go ahead and find stories and click on that. Once you've done that, simply click on who can see your stories. And this is where you can simply go ahead and hide from certain friends by tapping on friends accept and selecting who you want to hide it from. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.